Good morning, everybody. This is Fred Van Allen, First Team Real Estate Christie. And I have an open house this weekend in the nationally registered historic district of Lincoln Park, Pomona, California, on a very quiet street, 2 on a lot. Call it a duplex, 2 on a lot. It's actually 2 on a lot, house and back. Quiet street across the street from Emerson Senior Village. So it's quiet. There's lots of parking. Great curb appeal on this house. Hey, Dave. Romantic front porch for coffee in the morning or wine at night. Lots of pretty historic, well-kept homes on this block in Lincoln Park in Pomona. There's the unit in back, if you can see it down through the gate. Price is $468,888, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. 2 on a lot, hard to find in Lincoln Park, Pomona, California. Going to be having an open house this Saturday from 1 to 5 p.m.